Hello friend, today we are seeing how to filter data by using where condition. So let's start. So for that we have to check our table first. Select star from employee. So this is our employee table. We can see the data in that. There the column are ID, name and salary, and having the different values for salary and name ID. So we can filter by using any column applying where condition. So let's see how we can see that. Consider we have to filter data by on salary condition. Let's suppose we have to check the employee whose salary is 300. So how can we do? So for that command, select star from employee. Next we have to use where word, which is for filtering, where salary equals to 3000. Then we have to select and run. So it shows the candidate who having salary 3000. Similarly, we can use other comparative operator like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So how we can use that? Let's see. For example, now we can searching salary greater than 3000. So the command is select star from employee where salary is greater than 3000. So here are the employee whose salary is greater than 3000. Similarly, if we want to check the salary is less than condition, so we can consider here instead of greater than, we can use less than, and we can run it again. So we can see the employee whose salary is less than 3000 is EMA, which is salary is 2000. Similarly, we can use I greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. For example, greater than, in this example, we can consider greater than or equal to, and we can consider the amount, for example, 4000. So, okay, less than or equal to it is. So we can see here it will shows the salary from 4000 to 2000 because we are considering the condition salary is less than or equal to 4000. Similarly, if we would want not equal to condition, so we can check not equal to 4000. So here it will be shows the output. See here the 4000 salary is not showing, rather all salary it will be showing. So in this way, by using where clause, you can apply any condition and filter the data. Thank you.